Mamema Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH so let's like, comment, subscribing, turn on notification also so that anytime you post
Voice, he was the chairman of the defense committee. I am putting it to Canada, Japan today. Say, Omna no me change grassroots to do door. Omna change you to do door. Or elevate you into the defense sector in Ghana. Omna change. So what's the Ghana? Hey, you shouldn't be eliminated from something before you project yourself to love something. If you love that thing, let us know before it is too late. Sene, se me criticize you bia. Me can say me too need and ma criticize you. I will do it from the ground. Then people will know who I am. Inti dachi bi say me ya. No one can stop me. This is a comment coming from a man telling us say the government in power now is just 15 months old, so he is not going to criticize the government. We have it on record, and he can Japan should listen. Say when m.a.d was being sworn in 7 January 2017, within 6 months he started criticizing m.a.d. Danko Akufo-Addo. We have the videos there, we have the documents there. Oh yeah, and also yet beba. Ni ebusa say m.a.d there no wa ba for 20 years and you have been in parliament for 24 good years. He should come out today or say Ghana first. Also for the youth of the country, he should come out. Tell us which bill or the core parliament say a mebunu na wo mani munu ebre nti yem passes a bill we say na mebunu no ho enye de entomo all the time about bonten it be parliament money I go top, it be MP money I go chop, me MP salary me dey say Mr. Man, why didn't you reject it like how Mr. Ken Oforiata never took any salary? Between you and Ken Oforiata, if you want a good patriot of the country, Ken Oforiata, because who say no wa establishing where we into for a buying and also on for my nisika nyere into the salary no pay. What about you? What about you? Some time ago, you went down on your knees thanking m.a.d. Danko Akufo-Addo for introducing free SHS. And then there, that man who made you who you are, the people who made you who you are today, whenever you stand somewhere, like, this thing, we are not surprised about it. Because if your contract is being getting paid, you have nothing to do than to be on the good side of the person paying your contract money for you. Where was he? You took your core premise new year. Where has he been? I think when your voice and no baba bekasa. Now listen, tell me comment. I'm telling you here today, and let every NPP member and every NPP communicator listen to this carefully. So my dream say the work we are doing for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, regardless of who you are, if you are a chairman, if you are a general secretary, whoever you are, if you step on our toes, I'm telling you, we will not allow you to ruin any work that we are doing for the man. We cannot be waking up at night, working for the man, bantering these NDC people, then you come online to ruin everything for us. Voice, so they mess up them.
Yo, but that's it. Thanks for following the time. Okay, next person is Papa Hills. The Papa Hills so what? I talk in 5 minutes.
Voice,
then I told Cyrus. Amen.
Say, amen. We follow by first time I think say, minimum kasani. Oh, kakra me person me can say. Can the Japan or agenda be? Oh, the young shadi we. A young commissioner be basic 2028. No, or try you read 2028 and after wako journey the base. Adena omuye nyina no mpesa omuye nyina say. One person about me be president. But Shiranka Ruadi Yankopon say onipa nyame. Senior tibia me adeba kwa me believe in m.a.d yade bi. Emroba be the president. Do na nipa bebre ntenase or sanction kofobi, including general secretary. That na come na Japan. No is so powerful. Afoko no omnya omo ye powerful. but Nana-Addo de Nancy ho. Problem a yɛwɔ party no mu nyinaa yɛ leadership a general secretary chairman so bi ade a wɔntumi mpanese no because nneɛma Kennedy ayɛ no wɔn minim sanko when this anaase those times na ɛyɛ Nana-Addo regime old time na nka this time either sɛ ɔma pam no a distraction na ɔyɛ sɛsi a no pɛ sɛ o switch attention from say yɛbɛka aban n'asɛm na yɛbɛka ɔno n'asɛm but I know the end to me here bibia.
Yesterday we were busily talking about the fact say NDC
Yeah.
for wage bill no
yes. And you know agenda obi can say since here no man say NDC communication caters and to me match here. This idea only be by yankasa yenchen. That is the agenda. But ye focus. You better tackle we shouldn't give up. 2028 Kennedy be the base no matter what. And then it's all called Ghana no assemble ye can ye jai assemble ye can ye giantino o matchen o matete and they say me who video be a jacko no mo a call baby and the people were telling them say yeah NPP no mu nyina na ho the base na mo se yenkodwen for what yen do so na na yewo enti nkrofo ani bie wo mo ya underground work na after at the end of the 2028 in Kennedy aba just to distract NPP sania alan no but 2028 yenye focus adwuma na mo ye no ye adwuma papa enti mo yire mo ho Kennedy ne de ono no obekon the base sania tibia ye begina maybe say me na me wo Kennedy pa manka na meboa ba me study na hu ne argument bi ne nsem ka hu say oye personal interest and the interest of the party me sa na mbe hu no ne because onipa bi a say wo de eye say niu de enye no uye nipa bonefo contest ne yenyina yakọ yenyi akoto aba ana walusu akansie bia even school kura ye kura ye lusu ba ye njai school no yetenam ada na nko ade ulusu a na afede wo kasa ye bebre wo pese Ghana nyina hu se nko na wo ye masa ye ne abie sesi ye those times na ye ne afura na ye di wachi ba se ye ne abie no matter how the situation and found se na ye beko wo pa asofo nhye nkom nkofo nkeka no ke bim so mbehye o maso dance ba o me wini a o munye ready say 2028 come what may ba o me be wini nti aso dan de o mon starting ye mpese obi abepa chew say oh na manhu ni yi sa loto nkom hye ne sa na o modern na mase no wonjai ana me kakra mesre MPP mpenfo no say nkofo bi wo ho asofo bi wo ho a o magya ye hokọ wo mo ma o mo nko na o ma o mo ya afa no o so usu bempa say maybe dey no kure ese eja na chidi na kakra ma begina ho na me unu ni obi wo wa sori a okopre MP wantumi anwini wo se wo na yi president eniema bi wo ho a mo man ndwene nkwa ati o me yasofo ba eniema bi wo ho a obi be kasa dwene kwa atiri ansa na wan kasa no wagi atom enti me kakra ma ka na ma fisu na obi aba na say mumma ya ma ya adwemu yedu mumma ye ntie ni obi beka se nipa no ye party mumma nsem o kan mu abam ni obeye bia ye ngina ba o mieti me ya MPP ni obeye bia me ya MPP mi se nipa ba o mi akura fi MPP ameda so MPP enti bibi enu a me betumi asam adwen enti ni ameka atwato nsem mumma ya adwemu yedu o me nya kokuduro sani ati bia na awurade nyankopon kan ho nkunim de be endia nyame nhira ye nyira.
Amen. Thank you so much, Papa Hills. Charlie, and this MPP, we indeed have the men. Correct One TV. No, I think FB came first. So FB, then Correct One TV. FB, good evening.
Yeah, evening. Voice. Na adeɛ baako a mahu sɛ Ghanaians, we don't read. We don't do research.
I didn't hear.
Because Mekai said, I think 93, either 93 or 94, I walked to Kumasi Edum main post office to buy the constitution. because no more constitution ni be post office and I'm told see akra the abu you can easily get it online.
Yeah.
But me will be still me will be that ho me constitution ni be me toy no me can ya could see because now I wanted to do more research about Ghana politics. Now me who in your be a course, but me who say yen read it into Emma Yenti in your maybe. I will start with Ken Oforiata. I'm on for Kasa. Now, like they talk as if the man has done something wrong via Enya. Se papa numpo empo. Mr. Mekon se empo. Wadi boni bikura empo na. At the time my papa ni free Ghana no. Ye mo no kwa dubia se wayesi anase wayesi. Yen ka hwe nkyere no. Nipa na to kwan se okosa no ho yare. Se okosa no ho yare o so okope okoje na ho mekura o baabi o. Won ka hwe nkyere no. The moment we to kwan wi na afi de wo se memra na wo ye investigation bi ntin memra na me yi nsem bia no wo so no woni me se wo fro obi mpo so ombra e me yi nsem bia no na se nipa no ka se bintumi mba ntin wo de evidence bia wo bia no fa me court kra ya you can go ahead and prosecute the person. Nipa no se o no be video ai wo so wo mpenisa wo pese chenchina oba na this time around no obi ye chi akwara ketwa bi mpo ne ye be chi no kra na yes ye pe landed property ewo nipa ni din mu anyo obi bia so na se bi wa bobra e wo Ghana ho mu entiro omo ma ase enyoma aya entiro make us ye ready no because na me hunu se ye democracy na nkasa na ya nkasa na ye ntiase ano na affect Ghanaians ma more na we MPP mu no so na affect wo because if you understand democracy why is it say ye ko elections are governed by rules and regulations. Internet rules no ho. Yes, see, any say na ho no ya yakwa election. When we ni I was see adentin na media menko amanwini. Enti se sa na ye pen dia ene ni kwa sanke ye election po. Ni eduru wa esi o honorable Kennedy Japan ene ye yi no as no just akwa on post. But the moment a man for be contest no as individual say obi bia whether say who kotoaba ama any of the candidate and now we any of the candidate to contest for presidential say we two trim say so far as ankofo contesting anybody can win those election no obi bia obi win bia no you have to support that person and this particular primary here no is one of the best me time because the last election no raise allegations went to me improve, but I blame the leadership of the party. I blame them. Until this time around, the executives are for the national executives. You monopano as do people who can sit up and talk. I won't bet me do a see what say idea we why idea we ya pamo. And I think say this is the time Papa Nankasa no omutumi ka bibi kire no na ye try say from this time to 2028 no ye tumi heal ye wounds no ye yi ni sinchen because your agenda to say na me brother no ka no omo hwehwa anti obekeka nsem bi sa anti people will lambast him but amanfo be di na term amanfo be can say at the end of the day no we say close to 2028 no why we or say my ayi nkofo di ma term say nti na ne matem ho nti makwa akodwane the base or say whatever. Now those people now can say the base or say whatever. Maybe who's they have a shallow minded because say when him say contest. When him say contest, no, they don't even understand the word contest. Because I want to contest as here. Why is it say say me candidate in a chinchilla no me person oba? Does it make sense? I mean who be that? And touch mukura until make us say Ghanaians are not learning, they don't read, they don't do any research until and your man also and I say a man for propaganda be a man for beya no na they take it sa assembly will be back no be a fan because on you me who say some no say no cry na say no cry obi aba be di MP for 24 years. Nti ne bisa ho se enyoma be no so ye e na se bi party ne ka se e na on se na o ka bi se o de ne pickups bi boa e ne ade no ohun se Kennedy Japan aba ayi mantem abebo posters da And in party, to run a party, we have people who can use their money to support the party. We have people who can use their energy to support the party. We have people who can go around, call people to come and vote. From 96 was the time I joined my electoral commission. But now I was serving the interests of NPP because me as electoral commission person I may but now Uba na say yeah bibi na say in favor NPP me make sure say you are doing the right thing. Into near why they check it sir and your man from that time from 2000 day ban my party agent. It will be another time near in background 2012 ni no me say no me de my you no cry apart from ba could be me can so my 70 Ghana bi ba ko so say na 100 or 40 Ghana bi and it back on 2 occasions on my citation. Me woni hina go. Yes, they gave us a citation. We won't say actually we also say we a party agent or whatever. Yeah. But they drew baby, I decided say me stop because now me who say fine man. But still, I am for so sometimes after election we say yeah you see in a electoral commission car and buy me to me car and fan branch. Sometimes I think about all those things. So me to me car near the electoral materials if me move from polling station to the collation center so I'm for taking me no almost say me car what am I saying keke
Yeah. All right.
and when you cause a man for nya it do baby no mo say sika for party me can say before Nana do beba no I'm for Nana if you remember I'm for Nana that time no mo ton tigo cash go to o scratch ya o ya na aye enya me one of those people e ton car e de ma wo to van or the call van no mo pe van 2 ba ko send aye ba ko bonga afo and ba ko so call greater car e ko ton aye that time na ban kwa e bo a na e treasure me say you that office be na electoral commission opposite Hackman de ma MPP no or one na me call me ton car no yeah you call who say they couldn't even buy the 2 cars they were buying Hyundai H200 and no be ton those cars no
Yeah.
but they couldn't buy 2 because now there was no money it is that time next car for way they bought only one no one person me de ba akukura free woman and I'm saying no car no so nyame so me dia it mean to me free woman they couldn't buy until those time no na esikafoɔ no yɛ ka no na wɔn wɔ he it was recently that was that time ana abankwa yɛ boa ɛyɛ
That was
treasure
2012. That 2012 for
2012.
yeah
that was 2012. Yeah.
and that time na esikafoɔ no wɔn ka no wɔn wɔ he people have suffered in the party
Teacher
but
ni
I said
800 Ghana cedi me got credit just to support
wɔn
this
man look
party.
like said those people na wɔn ba public no
800 cities.
Yeah, 800 cedi me got credit.
Wow.
Scratch.
Yeah.
Tigo ABO.
yeah Tigo what scratch na 1 cedi echo
Me got 800.
Back then.
look at this. But I'm not for nyoma bebree to support the party. But sometimes when the party ni cause na some obiaba no obiaba say abeka bibi no kwa be yai no create some attention bi na people are just full. So people should focus and those woman no yes it's hard time say try say early as possible no you cut those people off. Near to me and heal your wounds in them near to me up for 2028. We don't have to sit down for the last minute because they will take us by surprise. Voice, me that's it.
That's FB. It's now time for reactions, and then I'll take in the new people. And reactions are very important because Correct One TV has not spoken. Until after Correct One, then reactions and the new people. Correct One TV, sorry, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
A long time no see.
Yeah, true. Nah. Patapana brochiri one for pound dimentra.
And yeah, it's 5 minutes.
Yo. Neme take Japona sena. In fact, na mira hokesi pa bate. Me is a sensation of person koso because after say finish 23 no, of course lomba no zeno na nizuti no 23 no. I was about Timpaja heavy blue pa 1 million sad that it was a shock. Didn't I want to shock? Yeah, in fact, who's and why the scars was serono. And one thing is a can no me is a oni obia a jail quabican or see what Sigania or Nadamfuni Hieni. Nadamfuni Hieni say obey concert Yama was rekeke. So who's this can be any Hieni nama? No e concert or can't let them or say. Sir, an intra, but go be to no pa casa politics in any me pepenina dinanka as a ujai or a good dear or baha serosi or a very good but ne cocono on your administrator cocono David politics no and him visit slumber no coin zena or person a trinka just a sensation not even trim so I can say
The
all
network
three
and
also on three no more but temu and that's okay.
yeah.
Very good. But
Okay, yeah.
my cousin na Uber cousin 3 million a young 3 million no sabre 92 no 3 million jeje runs era ko be bonitu ekuno ko be free abamo be bonitu 3 million 3 million dollars oh ko be gu party no jeje runs na fa on fa metu no
Yeah.
no nti kwa no Japan say any record will be amunti yɛmfa no saa sɔntaa bia na ɛyɛ nundwa nti yɛmfa no saa but ɛyɛ me ya sɛ kan analysis a ɔyɛ no in fact madi ho yaw na me name wife yɛ analysis a na ɛbɛtɔ mu yi fine Matthias yɛ ɔse MPP by 8 years wɔn ntoma nsi saa hospital na nwie fine but mate sɛ na mo yɛ analysis
Yeah,
bi sɛ
Anya Hushi. Anya Hushi. That's what he said.
mete sɛ mo kaa sɛ 48% na ɛwɔ but Nana Akufo-Addo na do 98 is that right?
Yes,
And
that's
that's
right.
it.
That's the
That's it.
parliamentary record.
That's it. Because who can say, and this was Kofona started here, but this for no
Yeah.
cream.
Yeah.
Okay, Matthias, what I am fan na ideology and say, okay, fine. Say 15 months and man Chris no. Nana Kuva by 8 years. When Timan we what I am fan is fine. Bezin Bisa say, Kofo Free Hono, at a mess by say or no, a 6 months, not at a mess 4 years. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very good. And Mahama be fire. So 4 years, no, this 6 months. Can yes, sir.
Yeah.
8 years, you know. Now, can Japan? I don't know. Me that say. I don't know. So 8 years, you know. Professor Tamas. Any Mahama and Kasano. Woman tima and we.
Mm.
So they say. Nana naku for the mayo. It is an anaku to buy 8 years. Say brain be why. Thank you. A brain NDC about no first because omne bedi 8 years. A woman to man rubabia. Nana naku father about 48% according to 98 ya. Senya se NDC way ombaye and omaka say omu ya kotamale. And a delay ya contractor no and no surcharge and already about 2 on so about 6.20 ya. NDC was 58 say 84 something million a umbe penmo ko chadi so they say umbe ma MPP aye on poplar na mo boss a charge kese we enti kana Japan no fine me person business say so also a committee no down no yes sir no right
Yeah.
eh
Yeah.
so kobi o an kobi o if one amoma enter o mo ko say o mo ko hwe
One
the
aspect in that want me bonnie panading.
yeah
Nipa ben na preventing na want me
very,
bonnie.
very good. So or you honest here because agency for sometimes when you weak can come bisa na mo de wono na ko kire on me can because onin say NDC for na mo wan ko ye nyina ehu bi o mo ko gina NDC for mo man ko miss life and colored na oyem na make no sesi no na obi kan no kana Japan pese obeka bibi na man for so mu ye yo no na ka say afere ma jakra me ko join me base onko but base no ko waste ne sika kwa kana Japan say osua bibi say 23% no eye sign kesi a unforgettable sign ya nyankopon de ma no 23% awurade ba bi odu ye de no ni say wa wie wo ma kire no